Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the fog lights are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find them. We will also talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, the fog lights, fuses and relays come. We will show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox, and quick advice from us, probably around 9 out of 10 owners do not know where all the hidden fuse boxes are located in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, a video that can save you a lot of money guys. And what we need to do now, we need to open the hood facing the engine here on the right side. You see that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have the main engine fuse box. Here you have one tab with two clips that you squish together, one like that on this side. You lift the cover up and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the fog lights we need to check one fuse, one relay. Where they're located now guys, let's explain that now. The first, let's talk about the fuse. The fuse guys is known as fuse number 40. You see that 15 amp fuse right here? This is guys your fog lights fuse that you will need to check on your Chevy Equinox. This is the main fog lights fuse there. Then we need to check relay 65. Relay 65 will be that relay right here. Those two components control your fog lights guys that you will need to check. If you still have problems with them not working, you may need to test the fog light switch, and you may need to check fuses, relays for headlights as well, because if you have a bad headlight, fuse, relay, the fog lights may not work as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.